Artificial intelligence is moving faster than ever, and some AI websites today are so powerful that they almost feel illegal to know. These platforms can help people write content, create art, generate videos, produce realistic voices, organize work, design graphics, and even write code. In this video, we'll look at 7 amazing AI websites that are changing the way people work and create online. The first website is ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful AI tools in the world. It can help users write articles, generate ideas, answer questions, summarize information, and even assist with coding. For students, creators, and business owners, ChatGPT can save a huge amount of time every day. The second website is MidJourney. MidJourney allows users to create stunning images from simple text prompts. With just a few words, it can generate artwork, cinematic scenes, realistic portraits, and creative designs. This makes it a powerful tool for designers, marketers, and content creators. The third website is Runway. Runway is an AI-powered creative platform that helps generate and edit videos much faster. It can create visual effects, remove backgrounds, and turn simple ideas into impressive video content. For video creators, this kind of tool can save hours of editing work. The fourth website is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is known for realistic AI voice generation. It can turn text into natural-sounding speech and create high-quality voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and podcasts. This is one of the reasons AI content production has become so fast and powerful. The fifth website is Notion AI. This tool helps users organize work, summarize notes, plan projects, and manage tasks with the help of artificial intelligence. It is especially useful for people who want to improve productivity and keep everything in one place. The sixth website is Perplexity. Perplexity works like an AI-powered search assistant. Instead of showing only links, it gives direct answers, summaries, and useful information much faster. For research and learning, this can be an incredibly helpful tool. The seventh website is Canva AI. Canva AI helps people create thumbnails, presentations, social media graphics, posters, and business visuals much faster. It makes design easier, even for people with no professional experience. Another powerful AI website is GitHub Copilot. It helps programmers write code faster by suggesting lines of code, completing functions, and helping fix mistakes. This shows how AI is also changing the future of software development. These AI websites are only the beginning. As artificial intelligence continues to improve, even more powerful tools will appear that change how people create, learn, and work online. The future is arriving quickly, and those who learn to use these tools early may have a huge advantage.